It actually feels really, really sad to hear a child as young as Siyacela Dlamuka saying the things that he says to Tando's mother. Tando's mother has had enough of Siyacela's curses, swears, and everything else, because at this point, Siyacela is totally out of control. Yesterday, Magatando was sitting with Siyacela trying to explain a few things to Siyacela. I think she was trying to initiate some sort of peace or give a message across to Siyacela. I don't know, but it didn't end well. It never ends well with Siyacela anyway. They sat down and they spoke, and then Siyacela said something like, when Umakatando was asking, what do you see when you see me? Because of course I would ask that question after everything that Siyacela has thrown at this woman. I would ask that question as well. And then Siyacela said on the other side at the diary that Islwani, like I see an animal, I can't see what type of animal, but there are so many animals that I see when I see her. I mean, I was held aback and I was asking myself, how do you marry somebody and then go ahead to ill-treat their parent to that extent? Like, how do you marry someone and not love them enough to respect their parent? I mean, if you love me, automatically it's just automatic. It comes with that sense of, I love this woman, automatically I will respect their mother, you know. But now with Siyacela, it's different. And Mzansi has come out calling and guns blazing, actually, because they are saying, let's just X this show. Let's X this show, because we cannot stomach to take and listen to the disrespect that Siyacela has to dish out each time he opens his mouth. So people are basically just enough with Siyacela and his total disrespect that comes from absolutely nowhere. If you remember well, they had an altercation with Ubabakatando the last time they met. They even got involved in a physical fight that led to Ubabakatando's bleeding and falling under tables. That is just gruesome. And the saddest part of it all is that Tando is condoning all of this. The saddest part of them all is that it's like she doesn't even see how wrong Siyacela is. And she was sitting there near tears experience, because the mother was telling her, Oguti, wena Tando, I don't care what happens to you going forward, because whenever I try to come out as your mother and stand up for you, you are actually not having it. And instead of supporting me as your mom when I say I am standing up for you, you'd rather go ahead and stand for Siyacela and be defending somebody who's totally wrong instead of defending me as your mother. Because whenever something happens, I do come and say not with my child. And she's all right. That's what she's been doing. She's been coming out and saying not with my child. But Tando refuses to see that. That's what baffles me with this girl. Currently, we notice that Tando has taken off her wedding ring. That's a recent thing that we see on her TikTok account. She has taken off her ring, and it seems like a girl has taken a certain decision, because taking off your ring can only mean one thing. You're considering something like ending your own marriage. So we're not sure about that as yet, because when she's asked where's the ring, she says Ikona, but she's not wearing it. And she's not interested in explaining why she's not wearing it. And then other people are really concerned for her, in a sense that what kind of things does she endure behind closed doors, because girl is enduring a lot. She is. At some point, she was so thin and looking very sickly. Right now, she looks fine. She doesn't look happy, but she looks fit enough to be like, I'm alive. At least life is lifing, but she doesn't look happy. And of course, she's not happy. How can you be happy with a man like Siyacela? Because not so long ago, Siyacela Dlamuka was the one saying, I'm actually taking a virgin wife. And he was emphasizing the fact that I am actually going to take that wife. I'm not going to sit here and nurse your feelings when I'm going to go there, get someone who has not been touched and start a new relationship with them and wife them. You know, he was not even scared to tell Tando that straight to her face, that I'm gonna wife somebody else who's not you. So Magatando, those things just keep on offending her, and it's like she just wants to best and, you know, do stuff to Siyacela that I shouldn't even be mentioning here, because you can tell when she's sitting down talking to Siyacela that this woman is actually really fed up with this boy. And everybody is, guys, except for Siyacela's family being the stepmothers, because those ones, they seem to just condone every bad behavior that boy comes up with, you know. I don't even understand how they do it, but they seem to be happy about everything that Siyacela is up to. It doesn't matter how wrong or raw it is, but they are up for it. They're like, okay, Siyacela needs to take another wife. You married knowing full well that one day uzolanywa. Like, why must she have to accept somebody else coming into her marriage? Does she not have a right to say no to something like that? That's the question that I keep asking. Does she not have a right to say no to something like that? I just pray for Siyacela that one day he finds, I mean, God, that's the only thing that's going to save this boy, because people are angry and they want this show X. Not that that's going to change anything because it's making money for Moja Love, but if it can just be X, we will not have to have our kids watch somebody behave that way and hear what he has to say with his mouth, because everything that comes out of his mouth is total BS, and we really don't want to stand for that as a country. We just get so angry to a point that when you meet Siyacela once, or if you were to bump into that boy as a living human being, you might just be angry and unleash your anger on him because he has made people cry. I've seen TikTok videos of people crying. That's how angry people are about this boy. Me personally, I feel like there's a curse or dark cloud that's following him. Nobody can behave this way under normal circumstances, guys. There's no way. But do let me know what you think in the comment section, and of course do like our videos and share to everybody who's willing to listen, and kindly subscribe and come back for more content like this one. Let's talk in the comment section, and thank you so much for coming.